Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class, and from yesterday we have started our revision work in English language. So children, I hope yesterday's revision exercise and activity which I gave you for chapter number 1, that was on about words. So I hope you all have completed your revision activity which I gave you yesterday for that chapter. And children, those who have not completed it, please make sure that you complete it first, and then only you will start with your today's revision exercise. Okay, so for that children, I hope you all have done that, and those who have not done, please make sure you complete it. And make sure children, please, as very soon you will be starting with your unit test also, so just start preparing very nicely for your unit test. Okay, and all of you are supposed to do these revision work. Okay, all of you are supposed to watch all the revision videos, all the videos which I am sending you, and then after that you have to complete your work. Okay, so please remember that you all have to just complete your work and follow all the instructions which your teachers are giving. Okay, so today, as you all know, every day in your assignment I give you 2 videos, part 1 and part 2. So today also I am giving you 2 videos. Part 1, in which I will explain you the topic and I will give you one exercise to complete, and then in part 2 video we will be doing 2 activity exercises. Okay, so are you all ready for that children? Very good. So for that the explanation of the chapter children, you have to take out the grammarian book, that is book number 2 for class 2, and then turn to page number 12. Okay, chapter number 2, the sentence. So today we are going to do chapter number 2, the sentence, as revision. Okay, so in a very short manner I will explain you with the key points of this topic, that what is the sentence. Okay, what is in the topic of the sentence. Okay, as you all know that sentence, this topic is important for you all to understand. So for that children, you have to listen to this video very carefully. Okay, so let's get started children. Very good. As you all know, what is a sentence children? A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. एक sentence क्या है? जो कल हमने पढ़ा था, what is a word? So word is a group of letters. ठीक है, अब sentence क्या है? Sentence group of words है. वर्ड्स, कोई भी एक वर्ड जो होता है हमारा, वो ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स से बनता है, और कोई भी एक प्रॉपर मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस जो होता है वो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स से बनता है. ओके, so in this topic children, we have learnt that a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, and sentence must always begin with a capital letter. As you all know, when we form a sentence or when we write a sentence, so we have to keep in mind some small tips. Okay, some small key points we have to remember that time when we are writing a sentence. First is that a sentence should always begin with a capital letter. Okay, then the words that are used in the sentence, they should be in a proper order. अगर आपके sentence में वर्ड्स अगर प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में नहीं लगे होंगे तो आपका सेंटेंस मीनिंगफुल नहीं बनेगा, और अगर आपके सेंटेंस में कोई मीनिंग ही नहीं निकलेगा तो वो सेंटेंस का कोई मतलब नहीं है. ओके, and the third is that we should use correct punctuation marks. And what are punctuation marks children? Full stop, question mark and exclamation mark are your punctuation marks. Okay, so punctuation marks are very important for your sentences, for each of your sentences. Okay, if you are forming or writing a small sentence like I am a girl. Okay, so this is just a general sentence in which you are giving one, you are just telling something. Okay, so this is a I am a girl. Okay, so this sentence should start with a capital letter and it should end with which punctuation mark? Full stop. Okay, and if you are asking one question in your sentence, like what is your name, where are you going, what are you doing, why did you go there? Okay, so any question if you are asking in your sentence, then that sentence should end with a question mark. Okay, which punctuation mark? Question mark. And when you are expressing a kind of feeling, any kind of feeling in the sentence, then which punctuation mark you will use? Like I say, what a naughty boy he is. Okay, so in this sentence, I have expressed my feeling for that particular boy, that how naughty he is. Okay, so in this way, children, you will make out that if a sentence is containing any kind of feeling, expressing any kind of feeling, then which punctuation mark you will use? You will use exclamation mark. Okay, now in this chapter we have learnt only these things which are very important. First is the sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sentence. Then second is a sentence must always begin with a capital letter. Okay, remember in mind that whenever you write a sentence, it should always begin with a capital letter, and whatever words you are using in the sentence, they should be in a proper order, and then you should use proper punctuation marks after your sentence every time. Okay, wherever your sentence is at the end, there you should use proper punctuation marks. Okay, so that is all in this topic, children. Now I hope you all have understood about this topic. Now what we are going to do, you have to take out your revision notebook. As I told you before also, that your revision notebook should be separate. Either you make a revision notebook or a revision register. Okay, and it should be separate for the whole session. Okay, and you will do all the revision work in that register only. So please take out that register, and in that register, first of all, children, I will explain you one revision exercise. Is that clear? So let's get started, children. Now, children, as you all know that we are doing our revision work of this chapter. So first of all, you will write down today's date in your revision notebooks or your revision registers. So first of all, you will write down today's date, that is 28/5/2021, and then in the next line you will give the heading of your chapter, that is chapter number 2, the sentence revision number 1. Okay, sorry, revision number 2. This is revision number 2. As you all know that revision number 1 we have done yesterday only in our as our chapter number 1. So now this is revision number 2. Okay, now first of all, I am giving you this revision exercise, and after this revision exercise, children, we will in the next video we will do the activity part. Okay, so let's get started. In the given sentences, put proper punctuation marks in the brackets. So children, here I have given 6 sentences, and after every sentence I have not written any kind of punctuation mark here. Okay, I have just left the sentence like that only, and I have made brackets in front of every sentence. Okay, so you have to read the sentence carefully, and you have to make out that after reading the sentence, if it is a simple sentence, then put a full stop. If it is asking some question, then put a question mark, or if it is showing some kind of feeling or expressing some kind of feeling, then put an exclamation mark. Okay, so let's get started. Very easy exercise. First sentence, the boy is eating breakfast. So in this sentence, there is no question which is asked, there is no feeling which is shown. Okay, only this is a simple sentence that the boy is eating breakfast. Boy अपना breakfast खा रहा है. Okay, so here what kind of which punctuation mark we will use? Very good, we will use full stop. Okay, so in this bracket we will make a full stop like this. Okay, now coming to the second question, what are you doing? Now this is, in this sentence there is a question which is being asked. What are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो? So in this sentence, when a question is asked, then which punctuation mark we use? we use a question mark. Okay, so in this bracket we will make a question mark like this. Is that clear? Are you all getting this exercise? Very good. Now coming to the third sentence, what an intelligent girl. Now in this sentence, children, what an intelligent girl. What is in this sentence? What kind of sentence this is, children? In this sentence, is there a question which has been asked? No. Is there some feeling which is being expressed? Yes. In this sentence, a feeling is being expressed about a girl, that how intelligent she is. Okay. So, when a sentence expresses some kind of feeling, then which punctuation mark we use? At the end, we use exclamation marks. So, in the bracket, we will make an exclamation mark like this. Is that clear? Now coming to the fourth sentence, the children are playing in the park. So again, this is a simple sentence. So what we will do, we will put a full stop here. Okay. Then number 5, how pretty she is. Now in this sentence, again, we are expressing some feeling, expressing some kind of feeling for the girl, that how pretty she is. Kitni sundar hai. So we will put an exclamation mark like this. And in the last, why did you not come to school yesterday? तुम कल स्कूल क्यों नहीं आए थे? Okay, so in this sentence, question is being asked. So when a question is asked, you will put a question mark in this bracket. Okay, so I hope, children, you all have understood this revision exercise. Make sure, children, that in this video I have explained all the answers. Okay, but make sure that when you are doing your revision work, you should not cheat. You should try yourself. Okay, try the revision exercise as well as the activity on your own. Is that clear? So this was my part 1 video for this topic, children. Now for my next activity exercises, please switch on to my part 2 video. Is that clear? So till my next video, bye bye.